Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's that simple. Also, there's a little bell that's beside the subscribe button. I recommend that you press it because what that bell does is it sends you one email telling you that I just uploaded a new video. And if you've been here before, you know that I upload a lot, and I also share not only my unboxings as well as a lot of deals. So when I find something that is a fantastic deal, I love to share that with you guys. And if you get that notification bell, you will receive an email in your inbox that's going to remind you that I just uploaded a new video. So it's nice to get something fun in your inbox. And then if you don't have time to watch right away, you know that it's something that's waiting for you to do. All right, today's video is about the Boxypopup. So just a little refresher on the Boxypopup. What the Boxypopup is it is a part of the Boxycharm rollout that they're doing, which I think is fantastic. I did not take advantage of the first one. It was discounts that were up to 80% off on a lot of the products, and it's exciting because it's a lot of things that maybe you didn't get in your boxes. They also had some mystery boxes and things like that. But what I liked about this Boxypopup was I got an opportunity to take a look quickly when it first, the one that happened in November. And immediately, I, like a lot of others, had problems. It would keep spinning and not loading, and if I got something into my cart, it wasn't there, and it was a real bit of a mess. So I think what ended up happening was too many of us were trying to get on at the same time, and I just think that everything got overloaded and it got messed up. Then all of a sudden one day I was working on my laptop and and the next thing I know, there was an email from Boxycharm that the Boxypopup was now open. Now, I don't know if it was open for everybody, if it was open to people that are yearly like myself, or that I'm Boxy Luxe, or if I'm premium. I don't know how they went around it the time that I found it in my email, but I was happy that it was there. I went in. There were a couple of things that I wanted were already sold out, so probably the first group that were able to get in got some of those items. One of them in particular was I was hoping to be able to get the Becca Under Eye brightener. I love it. I use it daily. It's one of my favorites, and it was like only $6 or something like that. It was crazy. They had it now, but they only had it in the medium to deep. So I use it to brighten my eyes, so I really needed it in the lighter shade. So things like that. A lot of things that maybe I didn't even know were available were gone, but that was one that I did know that I had my eye on, and that's one that sold out for me. But of course, I did find a couple of other goodies in there. The prices were phenomenal. So I'm going to share with you what I remember those prices to be. But like I said, this is their Boxypopup. They supposedly their plan is to do it, I think, quarterly. I think they're planning on doing it the months that aren't Luxe, but with Boxycharm, I'm always surprised. They're always coming out with new programs and new boxes and new products. They gave now some sneak peeks for January that I think are some Too Faced products. So it's just really, really exciting to be part of this Boxycharm world. So this one, it just says, thank you for shopping our Boxypopup. Share your haul. Follow Boxypopup for sneak peeks. Love your Boxypopup. They want you to upgrade, all that stuff. So that's what this is about. So I'm just going to, it came in a plain box like this. So I really didn't even know when it arrived that this was from Boxycharm. So I'm just going to remove everything from this box so that everything is in front of me. And I really was only planning on getting like 2 or 3 items just so that I would know how the Boxypopup worked. But I started seeing some things at certain prices that I just couldn't resist. And I think I ended up spending a little bit more than I wanted to, but for products that I think I'm really going to use. So the first items that really caught my eye, they had at the top were some matte. So they are matte, but they are from MAC. These are their lipsticks. These are full-size products, and they had them on sale for $3.50. Unheard of for a MAC lipstick. So One I bought was a standard, which has been in the industry for the longest time, and that one is called Velvet Teddy. This has been around a long time. By looking at the outside of the box, I think it's going to be a little bit browner than what I thought it was going to be. But like I said, this is an absolute standard. Oh, look how beautiful the container is. Look at that. Okay, so this is gorgeous. All right, that's the color there. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out. I do own a couple of MAC lipsticks that I got last year in an ULTA sale. I think it was around Christmas time. It came with a really beautiful pouch, a liner, a lipstick, and a gloss, and I have been enjoying it to no end. So this is the product here, and I'll tell you the name of the color in a sec. That's the color there. So this one is more my lane. So I was happy to be able to get that. And like I said, $3.50 for a MAC lipstick I think is insane. And this one is called Hot and Bothered. Okay, great name. Okay, the next item that I picked up was from this company called Copari. I think it's pronounced completely different than how I'm saying it. So this product was a coconut oil lip balm. It says it's a lip glossy. I love these type of products. This was $4. I have been enjoying the products that we've been getting from this brand. We received an oil as well as a spray mist, and I'm literally using that spray mist every day. I'm enjoying it so much. So this is what the product looks like here, and it's really like just a lip, you know, glossy balm. So you can't have enough of these. And like I said, for $4 to get a prestigious brand, I thought was a great idea. The next item I am so excited about. So happy this was still there. This is from Paula's Choice. I have been watching her back in the Oprah days when she would come on and say, buy this, not that. These ingredients are good for you, these aren't. And she came out with her own product line. And I'm originally from Canada. I've only been in the States a short period of time, full time. And this is a brand that is not that attainable for me, or wasn't that attainable for me. So now that it is, I'm happy that I'm going to be able to try it. So this is going to be one of my first Paula Choice products. It is a pore reducing toner. It says it's weightless, liquid visibility, minimizes pore size. I just am so excited about this. And it says it's for skin balancing for oily combo skin, which is exactly what I have. It says after cleansing, apply over your face and your neck with a cotton pad. For optimum results, use AM and PM. For daytime, always follow with a sunscreen. It's non-irritating, fragrance-free, never limited, no animals, and I am so excited. So this I was able to get, I think this cost me $6, which is insane, and it's over 6 ounces. So really happy I was able to get that. Another item that I wanted to try was a brand that I didn't know, and it was called Glazin'. And this was a lips, it says glazed lips with smooth iridescent shine. And the color that I got it in is in Rose Dust. That's what it looks like there. So I'm just gonna open it from the other side. And what I thought this was gonna be really fun. So this to me, I thought was gonna be like a gloss with a little bit of sparkle in it, which I thought this time of year was great. And look at these beautiful butterflies they have on the cover there. And then the top here has those little pinholes. So you literally have to just twist this up to get the product out. And that's what it looks like there. So that's the color, looks exactly like the color that it's gonna be in here. So really excited to try that. So that's the next item here. Then one of the items that I chose was from Saturday Skin. This was one that was $14. Everything else was, you know, under that $10 mark. So I wanted to try to keep it down so that I could try a lot of little things. But this Saturday Skin product line has impressed me. And I have purchased a moisturizer from them, and now this month, I think in one of my boxes, I chose one of their creams. This was an essence. It's called Press Pause Moisturizing Beauty Essence. And if you've been watching me for a little bit, I got introduced to essences through Toucha, which is a really expensive line. It's an American girl who she went to, I think it was Japan, and learned more and more about these ancient rituals, and essences was one of the things that she introduced me to. And what supposedly you do is you wash your face with your cleansers, and then before your serums, which was always my first step, you're supposed to use an essence. And an essence actually feels more like a water. It's like a thinner consistency, and my skin just drank it in, and I found such a difference using an essence before the serum that it really intrigued me. So when I saw that this was an essence, but a moisturizing essence, I thought this time of year that would be a great idea. So I'm going to see if this is that same watery. No, it is completely different than what I thought it was going to be. What a surprise. Okay, so it has no scent at all. It's coming out. It looks, wow, this is so different. It's almost like you feel the water, but did you see? It came out like a cream almost, but it seemed to go down like thinner than a lotion. This is going to be really interesting to use. Wow. So I really think this is going to be a mixture between an essence, a serum, and a light moisturizer. I might be able to use this as one full step. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm going to have to read up on this, because the only thing with the Boxypopups is when you get them, there's no card telling you more information about it. And what is written inside here, it just says it's an exclusive CHA7 complex. It's an advanced formula developed to naturally activate your skin's power of renewal. The powerful peptide infusion taps into the skin to target key lackluster skin, leaving your skin smooth, firm, radiant, and refreshed. It's saying it doesn't fight aging, it preserves youth. That's too funny. Okay, it says a potent recipe was formulated and crafted to perfection by their scientists at the world-renowned Research and Wellness Center in South Korea's premier destination among celebrities, royal families from around the world. Now you have access to this exclusive formula at your fingertips. I had no idea this was a K-Beauty line. Wow. Okay. And K-Beauty seems to be really up and coming now in the United States. They seem to be more advanced when it comes to skincare, and really, really excited. Like I said, Saturday Skin, it was still a fantastic deal at $14. But it was a little bit out of my comfort zone to try something that I never tried before. So it says use morning and night, warm the product by emulsifying and press essence into the skin using a tapping motion. Oh, so excited. Okay, so that's my item there. And then the next item that I got was from NCLA. See if I could do it. There you go. This we got in one of our first Boxycharm boxes, and I used it literally to the end where I couldn't even get it to use it with the dropper. It is a cuticle oil. It smells divine. It really makes a difference. And when I saw that this was available for $2, I had to grab it. So this is what started the ball rolling, then the max at $3.50, and then I was just in a tailspin. Okay, the last two items that I got were from Ace Beauty, and he had a few palettes on there. I also got introduced to Ace Beauty through Boxycharm, and I have been using their palette, and I have been loving it. The shadows stay on with primer, without primer. There's not a lot of fallout. I have been so impressed with this brand. So when I was able to find it on this Boxypopup, and it was only $9 for a brand name palette, I was blown away. And then now look at this packaging. So this one is called Blossom Passion. That's what that looks like there. And then the actual box has the same beautiful, beautiful colors. And this, when I saw the colors, I had to grab it. And the pan sizes are far larger than I thought they were going to be. Plastic insert, full mirror. Let me fold back so you guys can see that there. And those are the colors there. Look at that. Is that not stunning? Oh my God. So I'm really, really excited about this. These are my type of colors. They've got the burgundies, they got a black, They got a transition. They have some satin shimmers, which is what I prefer because you don't have a lot of fallout. You know, later in the day, you don't look like you went to a disco party. I think these are really, really beautiful. So once again, I got this for $9. So I was done. I said, okay, that's it. And then I scrolled down a little bit more and I saw that they had a few more palettes from Ace Beauty. And I said, one more, and then I'm checking out. So that's what I did. And I kept to my word, and that's what I did. So that is this one here. And this one is called Classic Paradise. And that's the palette here. And let's see how beautiful this guy is. Oh my God. All right. Once again, plastic insert, full mirror, the size of that. And there you go. So to me, this is the perfect fall winter palette. Oh. And look at the size of the pens. It is insane. It is just beautiful. And this is from Ace Beauty. Once again, transitions. They have the deep burgundies. Again, beautiful satin shimmers. Oh, they even have a little gray in there, which I think will be great. Oh, this is just stunning. So those are the colors there. And like I said, I'm familiar with the shadows from Ace Beauty. I was impressed with them. So when I saw these available for $9, I thought this was an absolute find. So I really hope that this Boxypopup continues. I hope they have it set up that all of us can take advantage. So if the people that didn't get to take advantage of it, I really hope that the next round that they do. But like I said, I didn't take advantage of it on the first round. I think it's great that they gave sneak peeks of a couple of the items that were going to be on there, which got me intrigued to even go on in the first place. But like I said, I don't know what I missed out on because I didn't get the first round. But I think I did pretty good on the second round, even though a couple of the items that I wanted were not available at this time. So just wanted to share that with you guys, tell you a little bit about my pop-up and what I was able to get. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for finding me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. It really will help me grow on the YouTube platform, and it's important to me. And I hope it's important to you to have me on the YouTube platform. So if it is, don't forget to subscribe. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it and you're in. It's that simple and it's free. Don't forget to hit that bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.